Tula, look at this. Hurry up.
But what's wrong with you? All this commotion for this?
What do you mean for this? Have you ever seen anything like this before? Look at the curves it has and the bumper. What a cool bumper it has. I'm wishing that I was a grown-up so
Telmo, that's enough. It's not like the first car you've ever seen.
But never one like this before. And guess what grown-up said to me?
What?
That when he was young, he was a race car driver. Can you imagine growing up in a competition? When I grow up, I want to be a driver just like grown up. And Tula, what are you doing to Paquito?
Paquito, don't move. If Telmo's a race car driver, I'm an airplane pilot, and I'm going to teach you how to fly.
Oh yeah? Well, I'll be a space rocket pilot.
I've got it!
What? Where? When? And how?
Today, we're going to make space rockets! And that way we can teach Paquito how to fly in a rocket, and I'm sure he'll love it. Paquito, there's no need to get carried away. You'll travel through space, see thousands of galaxies. You'll see how much fun you're going to have.
You find yourself in danger, many battles you will liberate, and then you will become Paquito the Great. You will become Paquito the Great. Paquito the Great is what you will become. Tula, what do we need to do in order to make this super rocket?
The materials we need are the following. 1 carton tube from a kitchen roll.
3 carton tubes from toilet paper.
Newspaper.
Different color paint.
Paintbrushes.
White super glue.
Scissors.
White poster board.
And a pencil.
Do we need so many materials?
Yes, we need to be very careful because we might get dirty, especially you, Telmo.
Huh?
Let's cover the table with newspaper while we explain the first steps we're going to take. We make a ball out of the newspaper and we put it inside the carton tube from the kitchen roll. It will be the body of our rocket. In order to make the motors, we put 3 carton tubes from the toilet paper underneath the kitchen roll tube, each one equally distant from the other. We use a pencil to mark the 2 points where they touch the long tube, and we make a little cut. Telmo, be very careful. The cuts need to be the same, otherwise the rocket will not stay up. Do you know what will happen if you mess up?
No.
The rocket will end up on an incline, and its route will change, and then you'll get lost in space.
That's not going to happen. I have everything under control. Wait till you see these super motors that are very,
Just say it already.
very super hyper mega fabulous. That's it. Tula, what do we have to do now?
We're going to paint and decorate our rockets. We paint the rocket one color and the motors another color. We create the rocket accessories while we wait for it to dry. We cut a large circle on the poster board and we cut from the edge to the center. We slide one side along of the poster board over the other until we have the shape of a cone. And we fasten it with a little bit of Scotch tape. And that way we have the head of the rocket. We make the wings by cutting the 2 triangles of poster board and we bend one side of the triangle a little bit so we can glue it on.
Tula, will you help me glue on the cone?
Yes, of course.
Tula, I said glue on, not paint on.
All right. Paquito, what have you done?
Paquito, now it's enough.
Just stay still, please. You're staining everything. Oh. You are so hard-headed, Telmo.
Yeah, grown-up always tells me that.
We should probably call him in and see if he'll help us clean this up. Grown-up! Wow!
Awesome super velocity! I'm sure when you competed, you were the fastest driver.
Hello, grown-up. The thing is, we've had a few minor problems with our rocket. Would you help us clean this disaster up? And in the meantime, we'll figure out how to finish our rocket. We use the super glue to add the wings and the head, once the paint on the rocket is completely dry. We paint the rocket whatever colors we want. We add strips of red and yellow cellophane and we stick them on with tape inside the motor so that it looks like there's flames coming out. It's turned out wonderful!
That's it. It just needs one more thing. I will finally make my dream come true. I will cross the oceans of the universe in search of adventure. Houston, we have a problem.
What?
I don't fit inside there. It's too small for me.
Of course, this rocket's for Paquito. Look at the adorable suit I bought him. Come on, help me just Paquito so we can take off.
Wonderful.
Well, where could he have gone? Paquito!
Paquito!
Paquito!